In today's video, we're going to fix one of the few things that I don't like about the all-new Ford F-150 Lightning, and that is this goofy antenna, which looks funny, it gets caught on things, and also affects the coefficient of drag, which you'd think would be very important on an electric vehicle. I didn't even know that manufacturers were still building vehicles with this style of antenna until I got the Lightning, and I was shocked, given that this is an all-new electric vehicle, that they wouldn't have done something a little bit more modern. Most new vehicles have a roof-mounted antenna that's a lot sleeker, doesn't get caught on things, and just looks nicer. But fortunately, there is a simple solution, and that is the Stubby, a really high quality direct replacement that's manufactured here in the United States, about 3 hours that direction. Now, installation of the Stubby couldn't be simpler. We simply take the old antenna and we just twist it off counterclockwise. You'll see that it's threaded on the bottom. And then we've got our Stubby, which just twists back on clockwise. Much smaller, looks better, and it won't get caught on things. Not to mention, we probably just added like a quarter mile of range over a full charge, maybe. That's probably dramatic, maybe a few hundred feet, but hey, it's something. So there you have it, probably the quickest, easiest, and least expensive modification that you can make to your F-150 Lightning. If you want to check out the Stubby, available from Craven Speed, a link is available in the description below. If you enjoyed today's video or if it was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And for more videos of the F-150 Lightning, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.